Hello and welcome to Future Fusion, a concept of individual studio, an initiative of AMFI, Amsterdam Fashion Institute. My name is Jan Ophoff, 3D manager of Generation 31, and today I will guide you through our journey. All around us, traditional systems are being replaced with innovation, and the fashion industry cannot be left behind. INDiViDUALS has found that one area in particular contributes to the damaging and dated perception of fashion: ownership. Just think of all the items in your wardrobe, your sneaker collection, your winter coats, your party dresses. Are you aware of how many you have? What they mean to you? How you take care of them? How can a fundamental concept as ownership be reimagined? Future Fusion is our answer. With Future Fusion, we challenge the black and white ways of fashion and create the call to action. Rethink ownership. But why? This is our chance to form the foundation of a progressive future. We offer the stepping stones from which this action can be achieved. 2 innovative solutions to rethinking ownership. First, we harness the blossoming world of digital possibility in 4 exciting phases. And second, a rental system in our own AMFI community. Both routes have the power to rebuild ownership and the industry using circularity, traceability, and accountability as the key. Let's dive into the first solution: the path of digital possibilities. We will outline how digital design and retail can transform fashion in 4 distinct phases, catering to any level of experience in this area. We speak to you as our industry partners and trust you take what we have learned and bring it to life. Our point of departure, phase 1, is physical looks, garments made of fabric and yarn. One's point of view is tainted by the lens they look through. This is a metaphor we have brought to life using anaglyphs, a form of color illusion, and the tool we have used in our runway to invite you to take a fresh perspective. Can I see what you see? Do you see what I see? Some may see more red or more blue, spirals, words, or everything at once. Our garments are designed to shapeshift before your eyes. Our point here is that perspective transformation is accessible to all. The specifically selected tones of red and blue are tuned for this illusionary experience. Look closely and take it all in. These physical garments don't only carry this powerful message, but also represent ownership in fashion as we know it, as tangible belongings. From here, we move on to phase 2, where extended possibilities are stimulated. Here we can see metamorphosis in action as technology mimics our spectacular world. The tangible garments are now reflected virtually as a seamless collection of pixels. The digital twins reflect the design possibilities of our physical reality and provide the opportunity to elevate traditional design methods. With technology, we can facilitate the impossible. The designer's needle and thread are replaced by advanced computer programs. Opening your mind to digital means fashion innovation with no limits. Keep in mind, this transformation does not only apply to the fabrication and existence of the garment, but also to the way in which it is owned. Instead of your wardrobe, it can now be stored on your hard drive. From here, we can reach beyond the boundaries. Moving into phase 3, we merge the physical with the digital to access opportunities that simply remain out of reach in the real world. With the digital, we unlock endless identity creation, buildable designs that bring transcendence to the world of fashion. Our representation of this comes in the form of 8 more unique designs. We unveil this additional collection using technology that allows it to be seen as if it really exists in our world. Here we can see the evolution of the design process come full circle, from physical to digital, and then reflected back into our surroundings. We live in a time where the physical and the digital begin to merge. This becomes possible thanks to developments such as augmented reality, allowing us to immerse ourselves in a new world. For the industry, this means taking interactivity to a new level. Now, we give you the opportunity to experience, admire and learn from this never-before-seen collection from the comfort of your own environment. Take a glimpse into the world of hybrid possibility. Through this QR code and the quick download of Adobe Aero, our unique garments come to life through your screen, anywhere, anytime. Please let us know what you think in the comments and start the conversation about how digital fashion can impact the way we design and own in the future. Phase 4 reveals intangible ownership in its most modern form, the NFT, the non-fungible token. Our handcrafted physical garments from the first phase have sought to reach a refreshed point of realization. Design elements from each of our 8 physical designs come together in one completely unique digital artwork, NFTs. In the most simple terms, digital assets that are sold and purchased on the blockchain. Non-fungible tokens have incomparable value. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged for something equal. An NFT can take any form. For us, it is an animation of an avatar wearing the height of our digital fashion creation, to be purchased primarily as a collector's item. We take this perspective to highlight how existing collector communities can collect without wasting unnecessary production on physical items, which are never to be worn. The NFT is the plastic-wrapped sneaker that sits with pride on your shelf. The difference is, it maintains the flashy shine without physical protection. NFTs broaden our perspective on worth and what we hold valuable. They embody value that can grow exponentially rather than collecting dust. However, we are noticing an overproduction of NFTs, similar to that of fast fashion. And we decided not to participate in the current craze and to take the time to further explore the area of responsible NFT production. We aim to explore how even small businesses and educational institutions can carry out this process consciously, using our in-house 3D team and the technology available to us at AMFI. There's huge opportunity to set standards for an industry that is yet to be developed and currently lacks sustainable knowledge. The reduction of physical ownership does not mean owning less value. In fact, the very opposite. The possession of this fashion innovation allows you to showcase your newest purchase to the whole world with unmatched credibility. Through these 4 phases, we have taken you to our journey of how ownership can be transformed through a shift in value perception. This is just one glimpse at the possibilities of how ownership can take a new meaning. This brings us to solution 2, the rental system, a more organic, community-based approach to rethinking ownership. Shared value is something special, and community is something we value more than ever as we have been forced to grow apart. iNDiViDUALS is pioneering fashion rental with AMFI. With this, we facilitate circularity and allow emotional value to be seen in a new light. By targeting the future fashion professionals of AMFI, we stimulate a sustainable future where quality is the norm and accessibility is a given. Check out our website individuals@amfi.nl for more information on those 2 solutions. Now we imagine you have a lot to think about, explore and discuss. Please take the time to share your perspective on ownership. The comment section is open. Rethinking ownership has begun. You own, I own, we own. But what does it mean to own?